In the year 2025, Earth fell silent. The cities crumbled, but one discovery sparked hope. A hidden time machine, untouched, unused.
Is this really a time machine?
Only one way to find out. If it explodes, at least it's a cool ending.
Destination set to 2250. Buckle up.
It's detected, not from our zone.
No ID chip found. You're not from this century.
Wait, we're from the past. We mean no harm.
Honestly, we just wanted food that doesn't come in a can.
Why would you come here?
Back home, there is no home. No schools, no sunshine, just dust and TikTok reruns.
We thought the future had space for us. Then maybe it does. Woof! What's this?
A hidden toolbox, like a space-age Easter egg.
Old school parts my grandma used to tell me about.
I feel like a sci-fi number.
Let's go and call our families.
Together, they built a new life, not just to escape the past, but to build a future worth staying in.
What